Cook's on me. How the fuck did he run through the door? Go, 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 go. How did he run through the door? How did he... Bro, can Cook come up the ladder right behind me or something? I got the fuck out that jam on the nigga. That was me, bro. I was running. Oh shit. Okay. Wait, Cook's running out. Cook's running out right now. He just ran past me. Bum ass nigga. Bum ass nigga. Wait. He's listening. Wait. He's turning around. He walked past me again. This nigga sucks. Why?